Here we have a 2017 17 plate BMW 530D XDRIVE M Sport. Now we do have the four 20-inch alloy wheels, which are diamond cut, and also have the M Sport brake calipers just hiding behind. Now we do have the LED headlights and black kiddie grills, full M Sport starting kit, so you have the black front splitter, side skirt extensions, rear boot spoiler, and also a rear diffuser. Now we do have the M badging on either front wing, as well as the black window trim and privacy glass on the rear. Shark fin antenna, and we also have the dual exhaust flush with a rear bumper and also the rear diffuser. Now we do have front and rear parking sensors as well. Now this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches, and rear does look superb from every angle. Now if we head to the rear of the car, I'll show you a bit of the interior. Now we do have Dakota leather throughout with ISOFIX points, pull down leather armrests with two nice size cup holders, storage behind the driver and passenger seat, vents in the centre as well as storage, and we also have two 12-volt connectivities just there as well. Now I do have the BMW individual trim just up there, integrated speakers and electric windows. And then if we go to the front, there's a look at the driver's full Dakota leather front seat. And then on the doors do you have your electric windows. Again, the BMW individual trim, and we have the ambient lighting underneath with the integrated Harman Kardon speakers. Jumping inside the car, just down there you have your auto lights. Foot on the brake, we do have your keyless start there as well. Now we do have a multi-function steering wheel with paddle shift if we take the car into manual mode. As well, we have cruise control and speed limiter just on the left hand side of the multi-function steering wheel. Now we do have the digital dash, which is free for any warning lights and has covered just over 38,840 miles. Now when you put it into different drive modes, it does change colour, so in Eco Pro it goes blue, Comfort goes to silver or white, and then when you put it into Sport it goes red for that mean aggressive look. Now going to the centre, again we do have the different drive modes. We have Eco Pro, Comfort and Sport. We do have your satellite navigation. Now this screen is also touchscreen, as you can see just there. We do have nav, media connectivity, where we have DAB radio just there. Scroll across to the left, we have FM, AM, music collection, CD, DVD, Bluetooth audio, and also USB. We also have Bluetooth phone connectivity just there as well. Pop it into reverse, you can see the front and rear parking sensors just there. Now coming down here, we do have your dual zone climate control, which works as you'd expect it to. We also have two heated front seats for those cold winter mornings where it does make all the difference. And then for hot days like today, we have the ice cold aircon. We have your BMW individual trim just there. Then this is what you use to control the driver mode select with your traction control on and off, parking sensors, and then we also have your touchpad just there and all these buttons to control everything happens on the screen. Soft touch leather armrest with storage underneath as well. And there's a look at the passengers full leather front seat, which has extended thigh support if you may need it, same as the driver. Then we have the BMW individual trim along the dashboard there as well. Now this vehicle is available to take away today with free contactless nationwide next day delivery. It's HPI clear, comes with fresh service, new MOT, and we do offer competitively finance. Thank you very much for watching. Video test drive of this BMW 530D XDRIVE M Sport. Now the purpose of this video test drive is to show that the vehicle drives exactly how you would expect it to. As you can see, I'm not activating the steering wheel to keep it a straight line. It is going straight and true and not veering off to the left or to the right hand side. Now we do have cruise control and speed limiter on the left hand side of the multi-function steering wheel. Now to activate, simply push the button at the top of the dial and it'll go to the nearest miles an hour. Then you have a dial just underneath that. Push up very slightly, it'll adjust by 1. Push up until you feel a bit of a click, and then it'll adjust to nearest 5 miles an hour. Now at the roundabout, I'm going to take a left as you would if you're driving this vehicle today. Now we do also have paddle shift if we wish to take the car into manual mode, which I'm going to do now. So I'm going to drop down again, so I'm into 4th, into 3rd, back up to 4th, into 5th, and then I'm going to let go and let the car take back over. Now you can also put the gearbox into sport by pushing the gear stick to the left hand side, where you can go into M and S. S obviously meaning sport and M meaning manual. So you can use the gear stick to go down and up as well. Now in the centre we do have your satellite navigation screen, which is also touchscreen. Now you do have sat nav, Bluetooth audio and Bluetooth media connectivity, as well as DAB radio, FM radio as well. Now when you pop it into reverse, you do get your visual display of the front and rear parking sensors there as well. Now we do have a digital dash, so when you put it into different drive modes, it also changes colour. Now here at RS Car Sales, we are a 5-star dealership with over 300 5-star reviews on Google, Autotrader and Car Gurus. Now if you read through the reviews, our customers really do reiterate the fact how good you are to buy for and how caring of a company we actually are. Now if you're test driving this vehicle today, you'll be listening out for any unwanted knocks or bangs, and if you listen out during this test drive video, there hasn't been any. It really is a very smooth driving car. Now right now I'm coming up to the industrial state where I'm going to take a right, I'm going to perform an emergency stop, go straight into reverse just to show you that the brakes work exactly how you'd expect them to. And so does front and rear parking sensors, which you'll see pop up in the centre screen just there. So emergency stop. Now straight into reverse, no issues whatsoever. And you can see the visual display of the parking sensors, then back into drive, no issues whatsoever. Now if you haven't answered all of your questions and inquiries during this test drive and walk around video, please feel free to get in contact with the sales team, where they can answer any unanswered questions and also run through some inquiries with you. But that's it from me in this test drive video. Hope to hear from you soon. Cheers.